My name is Loy. I'm a student at U of T. I study accounting. Accounting is kind of boring, so I actually enjoy picking locks in free time. It's a really easy thing to do, but not many people think doing it. So I usually choose a familiar neighborhood so I can know who's in, who's out. To pick up a lock, you only need 2 paper clips. First one to make a wrench. You have to straight out the paper clip. And bend it. Second one is very easy to make a pick. You only have to do it like this. Here we go. Oh my god, run! Now we are at the side door. It looks good. Okay, we insert the wrench. Pull down. You insert the pick. Keep turning. Keep turning again. Oh shit, it's stuck.
Lois, is that you?
Yeah, Mom?
Use your fucking key.
Okay.